Welcome to GooeyTrade and the MatchTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at the TradingView indicators on MatchTrader. You will have seen our previous videos on MatchTrader with respect to indicators and how to set them up and use them. Switch your chart to TradingView and you will have access to your indicators in the same way, but there are a lot more of them from which to choose. Also, one main difference is that you may search for and click on an indicator and place it instantly on the chart without going through a setup pop-up. So, in the case of the moving average, mouse over its label on the top left corner and click on the settings icon. You may then set the length and select the moving average type, SMA, EMA, or WMA. Under Style, like almost all indicators, you may change the color, opacity, and line thickness. Under Visibility, you have the option of having any indicator visible only on certain time frames. You may hide any indicator by clicking the eye icon and delete it by clicking the X. Another great feature of TradingView is that you can add multiple indicators almost instantly by repeatedly clicking. You then simply configure each one of them from their individual status bars. Of course, oscillators are available and you may search in the same manner. By the way, if you click on the star, this indicator will be added to your favorites list and will appear at the top. MACD is a common oscillator and you may change the configurations by clicking on the settings icon. Not only can you change the colors, opacity, and thickness, but TradingView offers you a huge variety of display options for MACD and other indicators. You may resize the oscillator panel. Also, uniquely, you may reposition any indicator top to bottom, maximize the panel, or collapse the panel. You may add as many oscillators as you like, configure them, and position them top or bottom. No matter how many indicators you have displayed or hidden, clicking on any indicator's three-dot menu will reveal the object tree. Here you can see a list of all active indicators and you may hide them, or the symbol price action. The object tree will also display any graphic tools, and we will look at these in another video. If you change symbols, these exact same indicators will be displayed on the new chart. The same configuration will also be displayed simultaneously on MatchTrader Mobile on the same account set for TradingView. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade MatchTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on MatchTrader.